To try and live in the divine will is so worthwhile because it benefits the whole communities. As Jesus explained, "My child, my heart feels an irresistible need for more souls to live in my will, because these souls are joyful places for me. My love wants to do good to all souls, but their guilt prevents me from showering my gifts on them. So I go in search of those souls who live in my will. Since nothing hinders me from showering my blessings on them, I do so, and through these souls, the individuals and populations which surround them also benefit. Therefore, the greater the number of such souls that exist on earth, the more my love will be consoled, and the more it will pour itself forth to benefit humanity." Dated August 6, 1916. Jesus gives further explanation. "This is why I speak so often to you concerning life in my will, which I have not manifested to anyone before. At best, others have known the shadow of my will, the grace and the sweetness contained in doing my will. But no one knows about penetrating into my will, embracing its immensity, multiplying oneself with me and penetrating everywhere, into heaven and into hearts, abandoning human ways and acting in divine ways, all this while still on earth. So unknown is this living in my will that many will consider it strange, and those who do not have their minds open to the light of truth won't understand anything about it. But I will open a way for myself little by little. First, I will reveal one truth, then another concerning this living in my will, so that ultimately they will understand." Dated January 29th, 1919. And there will be no end to the generations until man returns to my bosom in a state of beauty and sovereignty, just as he emerged from my hands at the creation. I am not satisfied only with man's redemption, so even at the cost of having to wait, I am patient. By virtue of my will, man must return to me in the same state in which I originally created him. Dated 11th November 1922. To learn to live in the divine will is the best way to prepare for heaven. Jesus said, "No longer living on its own will, the soul lives in mine. And just as my will circulates in its will circulates in all my being. I continually feel its contact, and feeling myself continually touched by the soul, you cannot comprehend how much I want to love it, favor it, and grant all that it asks of me. And if it were to be denied anything, I would be denying it to myself, because in the final analysis, living in my will, the soul does not ask for anything but what I want. This is what it wants, and the only thing that makes it happy, as much for itself as for others, because its life is more in heaven than on earth. This is the fruit that my will produces, to beatify the soul ahead of time." Dated May 3rd, 1908. And on another day, Jesus said, "You should know, my daughter, that people through their actions on earth create the wealth that they shall enjoy in heaven. He who does little shall have little wealth in heaven. He who does much shall have much in heaven." Dated May 22nd, 1919.